Hey guys, lesson 41. It is so important. It's a simple concept, but it is incredibly important that you understand the difference between your and your. So the words your and your sound alike, but they have different spellings and they have different meanings. And it is crucial that you understand when to use each form. Your, Y-O-U-R, is a possessive pronoun. It comes before a noun and it shows ownership. So please turn in your money for the field trip. It's possessive. It's a pronoun. It comes before the noun money. It shows ownership. Y-O-U-R. Y-O-U apostrophe R-E is a contraction. It's made up of the two words you and are. You're going to need your sunscreen on the boat today. The first your is a contraction. Y-O-U apostrophe R-E. It's made up of the words you are. If you can substitute in the words you are, then you need the contraction form. You are going to need your. In this case, the second your is a possessive. It's just demonstrating that ownership, your sunscreen. You cannot substitute in the words you are for the second. You're going to need you are sunscreen. That doesn't make sense. So you need the second your, the form Y-O-U-R. So read through this sentence. When you're done with your homework, your friends may come over. Pick the yours. When you're done, that's a contraction of you are done. When you are done with your homework, this is possessive. Your friends, also possessive, may come over. Essential that you understand the difference.